Ever dreamed of creating viral videos that keep people guessing? Mystery riddle shorts are your secret weapon. Imagine this: no special skills needed, just your creativity, some free AI tools, and a killer mystery that'll have viewers hitting replay over and over. Why mystery shorts? They're super hot right now. Easy to make, can blow up overnight, zero experience required, real world proof. One channel rocketed from 0 to 77,000 subscribers with just 23 short videos. That could be you. What you'll learn: how to craft mind-blowing mysteries, free tools to help you create, secrets to going viral, potential to turn views into cash. The best part, the mystery content world is wide open. Not many creators are doing this yet, which means massive opportunity for you. Are you ready to become the next viral mystery mastermind? Let's turn those detective skills into digital gold. Stay tuned, your step-by-step guide is coming up next. The rewrite maintains the excitement and key points while making the language more conversational, using emojis for visual appeal, and breaking down the information into digestible chunks that feel more inviting and less intimidating. First up, script magic. Grab ChatGPT and spill out your mystery idea. Seriously, just type whatever wild scenario pops into your head and boom, instant script, no writer's block, no stress. Voiceover time is your new best friend. Snag that smooth Adam voice that sounds like it's straight out of a true crime podcast. People will be leaning in, hanging on every word. Visuals are where the fun begins. Dive into AI playgrounds like Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, or Leonardo AI. It's like having a magic wand, type a prompt, and watch jaw-dropping images materialize. Pro tip: play around until it looks just right. Editing? CapCut is about to become your ride or die. Drag, drop, add some killer transitions, throw in some trending sounds, and suddenly you're not just making a video, you're creating an experience. You need a taste of how addictive this can be? Check out this brain bender.
Two sisters are having dinner. One drinks 5 glasses of iced tea quickly, and the other drinks 1 glass slowly. Hours later, the slow-drinking sister dies. The iced tea was poisoned. Why did the other survive? Answer: the poison was in the ice, which melted in the slower drinker's tea.
That's it. You're now equipped to turn your phone into a mystery video machine. Go forth and create content that'll break the internet.